Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, why am I winking? I don't know. But anyway, today I'm going to attempt a foxy eye makeup look. I know that fox eye makeup has been a trend recently, so I want to give it a try. So yeah, I'm going to start. So first I'm going to use this primer. This is a primer from Maybelline. It's the Baby Skin Pore. It is a primer. Just this much. Next is I'm going to use this Kamelia Cosmetic Mermaid Skin Flawless Filter Foundation. This one has SPF 35 and PA++. So if you don't want to wear a sunblock, then you can just apply this. But I'm someone who always wears sunblock, so you know, I will always apply sunblock first before I apply makeup. No matter how much the makeup has SPF on, I will never skip sunblock. Anyway, this is how the texture looks like. It's so watery. Did you see that? So I'm going to do it like this, and then just spread it on my face like this. Oh, by the way, this one is in the shade called Honey. It is actually quite yellow on my skin actually, but I can make it work. One thing that I don't really like about this foundation is because it oxidizes. So right now it might look like it matches my skin, but after 30 minutes or something it will oxidize, so the color will not match my skin. But no worries, because I'm going to apply a concealer right on top so that it will not change that much. You know what I'm saying, right? Okay, using this Tarte concealer. This one is the Shape Tape concealer, and I like this one because it's so nice. It holds on so good on my skin. Like, I am going to apply it right here and then here, and I'm going to do like something like this on my eyes so that it's going to make my eye look long. Something like this. I'm going to do it underneath my eye like this as well, with this eye, like this, and then a little bit right here, and here. And then I'm going to set my face using this loose powder. This is the Hope Girl Blooming Loose Powder in number 23. I'm going to open this one. So next I'm going to use this. This is the Too Cool for School Art Class by Rodin, the contour palette, these three. And I'm going to take these two, just mix them together, mix them, and then just pull your eyes like this. This one is to give an illusion that your eyes is actually lifted, like that. Just do it lightly because you want to make it as if your eyes are lifted. I'm going to zoom it for you guys so that it will be easier for you to see me. Okay, so this is actually my brows. I don't know, I haven't, oh my god, did you see how messy my brows looks like? I have to bleach my brows again. I need to bleach my brows again after this. Anyway, I'm just going to continue with this. I'm going to lift my eyes like this. It's like to give an illusion that your eyes are lifted. Just do it like this. Then this, the remaining one. So next, I'm going to use this. This is a false lashes from Daiso. It's number C08, this one. So with this false lashes, I'm going to cut it half. And then with this, I'm going to put it right here. This is the one that I cut into half. I'm going to put it like this. So did you see the gap right here? I'm going to fill it with eyeliner, so I'm gonna start now. Just fill in. So down here, I'm going to extend it. I'm going to just do this side first and then this one after, because I want to show you guys the difference. And then with the same angle brush, I'm going to put on a little bit of shadows right here, so that it will look like my eyes is elongated. Using this is the Get Big Lashes from Get Big Lashes Volume Curl Mascara from Essence. I'm going to curl my lashes. Oh, by the way, I purposely did not do my left eyes because I want to show you guys the difference after I'm done with this eye. So this one, I'm going to apply false lashes and Killawatt mascara. And to just apply it like this. Okay, seems like my eyes is done. So I'm going to do the rest of my face by contouring, blush, and highlights and everything. So I'm not going to explain anything because this is the one that I usually do. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoy watching. Look at my eyes, it looks so pretty. I think I will do this kind of eye makeup a lot more than usual because I kind of like it. I like how it looks like. It looks like my eyes lifted and elongated, and also my lips is so pink. But anyway, I hope you enjoy watching. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Also, if you don't want to miss any new video from me, you can just click on the bell button so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And I also would like to let you guys know that if I reach more than 500 subscribers, I am going to do a giveaway. I am going to host a giveaway. So if you would like to join my giveaway, do subscribe to me. And yeah, see you again on my next one. Bye bye.